Hey guys, Miss Mellon here. I'm going to go over really quickly how to do this week's modeling assignment because I project there's going to be some questions. So I'm just going to go ahead and explain how to do a few things. So hopefully it'll help you get along without having to wait for any feedback from me. All right, so the first thing I'm showing you is the where it is in Schoology. We're still in Unit 4, the lymphatic system. So you are going to download the Word document, and I have it downloaded here already. So the first thing you should always do is read the directions. So some important things that I give you some links here that was going to help you with some of your modeling. You have everything that you need to be able to do this project if you have completed all of the other unit work. If you are coming in this week thinking you're going to pick up this week's work and not worry about the stuff before spring break, you're not going to be able to do that because all of this builds onto it. And so the two things you have to submit this week, you have to have done the other assignments and understood them to be able to move forward. All right, so what you're going to do is you are going to explain how COVID-19, which is a virus, how it affects homeostasis in your body. All right, so you can read through all the detailed information there on your own. The big thing that I'm going to point out that I think might be the most confusing is this part where you are making your own models. There's two areas you have to model. You have to model the physiology changes, and you have to model the homeostatic imbalance change. So you're like, oh my gosh, what does that mean? If you've done all the other stuff, you should have an idea of what that is. All right, on page 2 of the Word document, I went ahead and made a table for you to put your work into. Now, it doesn't matter to me if you use this exact same document or not, as long as it's something that's similar to this, just depending on what resources you have at home. So you're going to put your part 1 general information. I really want that in bullet points as long as I know what you're talking about. Bullet points should be fine here. Remember, your reader is not me. Your reader should be another student in the class so that you are getting your full points. All right, you're going to put a model here, and you're going to put a model here. And if you decide to do the bonus section here at the bottom, it was going to go here. The big thing about the bonus, I'm going to say this now so I don't have to say it in a little bit. If you want points for the bonus, you have to provide me a link of where you got this at. So put your little APA citation, because what you're doing is you're finding a case study or some kind of research. It could be a scientific research journal. I'll take a good article from maybe like Scientific America or some sciencey journal like that would be fine. There's tons of them out right now. So about any coronavirus or specifically COVID-19, either will be fine. All right, so that's the bonus. All right, so back to the models. So you're going to use a new program called BioRender. So basically what this is you are rendering a model of something in biology. All right, so you can click the link. I have the link both here with the other assignment information, and then I also have it linked in the Word document just in case it's linked here. Okay, all right. Now I'm going to go to my BioRender so I can show you. Oh, not that one. Not that. Okay, here it is. When you click the link, you're going to see this. You are going to sign up for free over here. So you're going to click the sign up for free, and you're going to make a student account. You can make 5 models for free, so you don't have to pay for anything. And this is honestly something that I think might benefit you if you decide to go into science in the future. And if you're still with me right now, completing assignments, either you're not passing the class, or you don't have the grade that you want, or you are going into science, medical fields in college, and you want to make sure that you get this information. All right. So once you create an account, this is my account, this is the making of the model. But before you get to this page, you are going to, there's like a little demo that shows you how to do things. And I still have some demo stuff down here at the bottom where it's telling me what to do. One of the things that you need to do, one of the reasons I gave you 3 days to work on this, is that it takes some time to make sure you know how to use the biorendering. It's easy. It's just as easy as Word document or PowerPoint. Just make sure that you go through the information so that you don't struggle trying to make it. All right, one of the things that you can use, let me make the little screen wider here. One of the things that you can use is you can find icons. So instead of you having to create or draw any of this, it's really handy dandy for you to be able to find a really good virus molecule that you don't have to draw. So there's tons here. Now, what you do is you pick the one that looks closest to what you think that you need. It's up to you which one you pick. And you can just drag that over to your little slide over here. And then you insert text. And then you write. You can explain your things here. And then how you decide to get from this to the Word document is going to depend on which technology that you have. If you have a laptop, it's going to be the easiest thing to do. So that way, like, you could just snip it or you could take a screenshot. So that way you can just paste the picture straight into the your Word document. All right. But yeah, like I said, play around with it. You're going to make 2 of these. You need one for the physiology part of the virus, and then you need one to explain the homeostasis in the body, about how it is not balanced and then can become balanced. All right, so that is the overview of what we're doing. If you have any questions, we have class hours in the morning on Tuesday and the morning on Thursday, and I'm also available via Remind. You can send me an email, but make sure that you are uploading all of your assignments here to the Dropboxes. I'm going to be spending the next few days, now that we have all the work for this week already posted, I'm going to go back and grade your stuff from before spring break, all the other online stuff to update your grades in the grade book. And then I should be able to get all of your grades in on Friday for this previous stuff. If not, probably Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, just depending on how many meetings I have to sit through. So, all right, guys, I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in another video or online later.